Are you looking for a way to engage your audience in real time and generate qualified leads for your product launch? Webinars might be the answer. They've become one of the most effective tools in any go-to-market strategy, giving you a chance to connect with prospects, demonstrate your product, and answer questions on the spot. This is one in a series on using video to up your go-to-market efforts, so keep an eye on this space for related content. You can also download our new ebook, Maximize Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video. I'll tell you how to do that in just a bit. Now, one of the really cool things about webinars is that they allow you to showcase your product and provide value to your audience, all while building a direct line of communication. It's not just a presentation, it's a conversation. You can dive deep into your product's features, show real-time demos, and explain how your solution solves key challenges for your audience. Plus, the interactive nature of webinars, chat, and so forth makes them a powerful tool for building trust and credibility. Another major advantage, webinars create a sense of urgency. Whether it's a live event with a limited number of spots to attend or a recorded version available for a short time, webinars give your audience a reason to engage now rather than later, and you know how valuable that is. And because they're so informative, they often attract a highly engaged audience, people who are genuinely interested in learning more about your product. But here's where webinars really shine for go-to-market efforts. They provide you with immediate feedback through Q&A sessions, live polls, audience questions, so forth and so on. You can gather insight on what your prospects care about most and adjust your messaging accordingly. And now, thanks to remote video capture, producing webinars has never been easier. Whether you're presenting live or pre-recording certain sections, remote capture lets you create high-quality content from anywhere, cutting down on the time and effort involved in traditional production. Webinars are just one way to incorporate video into your go-to-market strategy. Other effective video formats include product demos, launch announcements, and behind-the-scenes content. I'll be covering these in more detail in other videos, so be sure to look out for them. If you're ready to level up your go-to-market strategy with webinars, now's the time to get started. If this sparked some ideas, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And to receive your free copy of our new ebook, Maximize Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video, just let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.